Let's learn how to make the back and front loop single crochet pattern, stitch pattern. This is very easy, so much you can do with the single crochet, and look at the effect. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful texture. So to do this one, we need multiples of 2 plus 1 for the base chain. So we see this here. Multiples of 2, and there's the base chain. So when you have that base chain, it counts as the first single crochet, so you miss that one, and then you single crochet into each chain, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to chain multiples of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just do 6 and then the plus 1. And that plus 1 here, that will count as the first single crochet. So we skip this chain and we single crochet into the next one. And then we just single crochet across. Okay, once that has been completed, we turn the work. So you can see it here. And we chain 1, which counts as the first single crochet. So chain 1. So then we skip that one and we just start working straight into the top of the next stitch. And for this one, we will only crochet into the back loop. You can see this here, got the back loop and the front loop. Okay, so what we do is we crochet, single crochet 1 into the back loop, and the very next one, crochet into the front loop. So see, just the front loop there. Single crochet into the front loop. Okay, next one, back loop. Next one, front loop. Only the front loop. Back loop. For the very last one, we just crochet into the whole thing. So that keeps the edges even. Okay, then we just turn the work and we keep repeating the second row over and over again. So chain 1, skip that one, that counts as the first one, move into this one. Back loop, single crochet, front loop, single crochet, back loop, single crochet, front loop, single crochet, back loop, get to the last one and we just crochet the whole thing, single crochet. And you see that starting to come along. Beautiful textured stitch. Hope that was easy for you, and you can use it for blankets and scarves, hats, anything you like. So here's the pattern again. I hope that you've enjoyed this content, and you know, if you enjoy what I'm doing here and it helps you out, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps me grow my channel so that I can bring you even more tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye.